Wow, very nice room. It's a sweet room. Go, we have table here. And a big, how do you call this one here? Like a living room. Living room. And the window is over there. Nice vase. No, the refrigerator is here. And I think, yeah, there's another table here. Oh, nice, huh? Oh, this is our room. Very nice room. Oh, here. Wow, nice. And let me see the washroom. And the cabinet. Yeah, they have slipper and shoe kit. And it's a big one, no? It's for family. Yeah. And the washroom is here. You have here the complete, Mama, look. Complete.